Hi, Natasha here. Continue watching so I can guide you on how to find your perfect matching shade of the HY-GLAM Brightening and Hydrating Crease Proof Serum Concealer. Concern number 2, intense dark under eye circles. First, you have to differentiate that there are two different types of under eye circles, blue purple or brown. If you have blue or purple under eye circles, select a concealer shade from the peach undertone group in your overtone from P1 to P11. Or select one of the 6 correcting concealer shades in your overtone, C1 to C6. These will instantly neutralize and brighten your purple-blue under eyes. To correct and brighten intense dark brown under eye circles, select a concealer shade from the rosy undertone group in your overtone, R1 to R9. These will instantly brighten and correct your under eyes without looking ashy. Your correcting shades might not replace your perfect skin tone match. They are your under eye correcting shades, not necessarily perfectly matched to your face, which means that probably you will need a correcting shade for your under eyes and a neutral shade for your face. Concern number 3, correct hyperpigmentation. Select one of the 6 corrector shades, C1 to C6, that matches your overtone. Then layer your foundation or your perfectly matched HY-GLAM concealer shade on top. I cannot wait for you guys to find your perfect match and enjoy wearing this beautiful formula.